Hi, my name is Master Aegon, and with me is Andre Aegon, and today we're doing the karate windup. That means what actually perceives the movements of before a kick or a punch. Most people see the kick and the punch and see that that is the actual initial movement in the actual self-defense technique. It's not actually accurate. It starts with the core or the hip, which Andre's going to show you right now. Now, first, Andre, let's show the audience how you might throw a punch. Get! And like you said, right now, most people are observing the hand technique. Now show the kick. Get! Now, if you watch closely, so the ones that are practicing at home, this is the first initial movement that is going to actually be the force, your power force. It's called the chi, the power force, ki in Japanese. So therefore, let's go two parts. 1, 2. So from here, you can do a hand technique. Go, 2. Everybody caught that? 1, 2. 1, 2. Now let's speed it up. Action. Go. Go. Get. Okay, now the kick. So from here, get. Let's go 1, 2. First movement. Kick. Now let's put it together. Kick. So let's say Andre weighs about 140 pounds. Is that right, Andre? About 140 pounds. Now, his arm, I'm going to lift it. Weighs actually about maybe 8 pounds. Okay, I know it's muscular, but 8 pounds. Now, what about if we turn around and use all 140 pounds of power? And that's exactly what you're seeing here. Now, to prove the point, I'm going to take a board, okay, and I'm going to have Andre show what using the whole body is going to look like. That means the core, the mechanics, and then the feet. Okay, ready? Andre, are you ready, sir? Okay, now remember, and maybe back it up a little bit, because I'm really close to the drum. Okay, ready? And get! Very good. I thought it was a leg technique. Okay, okay, let's do it again. Now, this is a very basic one. I want to make sure that, ready? And again, slowly observe the core. That's the first mechanics to really generate true power. Remember, you're not using 8 pounds of power in the arms. You want to use 140 pounds of power. Ready? And get! And excellent. Again, thank you so much. My name is Master Aegon with Perfect Balance. Remember, why is it called Perfect Balance? Because it is the training of the body, mind, and spirit.